Hi, Sir Steven. Thank you so much. We're going to the market for the because Joanna is buy rice for the family.
Yes, there's still.
Joanna sharing the blessing.
That you give to me the money and I will share to my family and I will buy rice 25 kilos.
I'm driving now.
And I'm driving now.
That's why I'm vlog. I'm
Yes.
the face of the camera.
Thank you so much, Sir Steve.
Vlog ka na!
So yun guys. Sir Steve, I'm here the rice.
The market.
The market. Thank you so much.
Joanna's buy a one sack. Magkano isang kilo per kilo niya kaya?
56.
Bayarin muna.
Oo nga pala.
Ayan, Sir Steve. This is the Joanna's rice. The total one sack is 1,350. Pwede na po sa motor. Bako yung nakawawa naghihintay. Baka na your chick. Oh, minagay mo.
Sir Steve, this is rice. Thank you so much for everything.
Sir
Sir Steve, we're at home now. And I'm gonna, tama ba? I'm gonna give my mom. Wait lang. Gym girl. Diyan ba? Bakit ako ma din eh? Saan na yun? Sir Steve, this is my mom. And rice.
Sir Steve, thank you very much po sa rice na binigay na.
Sir Steve, my mom said this. Thank you so
Take
much.
care po. Thank you so much, Sir Steve.
Sir Steve, I'm done to give my mom rice. She my mom said thank you so much and take care always and more blessing, Sir Steve. My mom said, thank you so much, Sir Steve. Take care always and more blessing to you, Sir Steven. And now I'm going to street food because Gym Girl cravings is street food.
Yes.
And I treat Gym Girl.
Joel is treat me, Sir Steve. Thank you so much.
And now, Gym Girl's my driving. Driver. Sir Steve. Hi guys!
Hi, Sir Steven! So, we have two camping chairs. This camping chair is treat Joanna
Yes,
for
Sir
me. So, thank you, Sir Steve, because you gave me Joanna money. She treat me always.
Yes, Sir Steve! Thank you so much!
So, now we're gonna unboxing the camping chair.
Mga kapitan dalawa.
Okay. So, Joanna's camping chair's color is black and me is color brown. Yes. Brown or nude?
Para magtapos tayo ng dagat. Bakla bali, brown na iyo.
Ganyan.
Joke ang brown din natin.
Galit na. Baka hindi ha. Baka hindi ha.
Bakla.
Wait.
Baka ka na-adjust ang iyo hindi eh.
This color, wait. So, this computer is so very big. So big.
So, bakit kinuha to?
Akan yung bakala.
Bakit ganito? Tingnan mo kulay niya, baka ganyan eh.
Iyo to black. Iyo yan.
Bakla, hindi baka
Black
akin.
yan.
Ang iyo manipis, may akin may ano.
Baka pa, ipapakita ko pa sa iyo. Ipapakita ko pa sa iyo.
Wala ang iyong atrasan akin kaya mahal yan eh.
Hoy, hindi to akin.
Akin bakla, may ganito diba? Sabi ko sa iyo, i-check mo kaya mura ng iyo.
Oo nga, wala.
Sabi sa iyo eh.
So, this camping chair. So, my camping chair is black and Joanna's camping chair is brown. Look.
Look, Sir Steve.
Very comfortable.
Mainit!
We're here at my house. At home. Look, Sir Steven. Oh, look. My camping chair is...
Yan, dito
Kahit
na.
nakatayo tayo. Kahit nakatayo lang tayo. Yan. So, Sir Steven, this is, I think, 439 pesos. And kay Joanna, how much yours?
530.
Joanna, camping chair is very expensive because big. My camping chair is small. Look, oh. Look different.
Thank you so much, Sir Steve!
Thank you so much, Sir Steven. I really miss you.
Magkabal pa tayo sa dagat? Hindi pala, ang short video na mo. Pakita mo. Look, Sir Steve!
Mamaya.
Thank you so much.
So, Sir Steven, thank you so much again. So,
Yes.
we have 2 chairs, so we need buy a table because we have 2 chairs, so we need table
Table.
for the food. Because me and Joanna always eat the seaside, other
See.
yes, you know, I'm saying sometimes Joanna's buy McDonald's or Jollibee and eat together seaside. So that's why I need to buy a table because we have 2 chairs. Me and Joanna.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
Sir
Sir Steve!
Steven.
Take care always! Thank you for everything! Don't forget take your medicine.
Yes, take care always. Drive safe. And this is the vlog whereby rice
For my mom.
for Joanna's mom. Let's go.